Influencers and creators get a lot of credit for content creation, but have you noticed they're also experts in driving traffic from Instagram? If you've ever clicked on a link in bio, subscribed to a newsletter, or purchased from an affiliate link, you've seen firsthand how influencers are expertly driving traffic where they need to go. I'm Christine from Later, and today I'm going to show you how you can do it too. So, let's get into it. Here's how you can start driving traffic from Instagram like an influencer, tried and tested by professional influencers themselves. Our first tip for driving traffic from Instagram is optimizing your Instagram bio. @PeppaMac takes advantage of this prime real estate with Later's link in bio tool, which lets you build a clickable version of your Instagram feed alongside the option to add several customizable button links. When your followers click the link in your bio, they'll be able to tap on any image or text box and be directed straight to the links you've added. So instead of including all of her outfit details in the caption space, Petra can direct her audience right to her link in bio, where they can shop her entire look. Long story short, link in bio is the definition of work smarter, not harder. Lucky for you, we've dedicated an entire video to the benefits of link in bio right over here. Tip number 2, utilize your Instagram stories and highlights for click-driving content. Not only are Instagram stories a great way to connect with your followers personally, but they're also great for sending your viewers exactly where you want them to go, like with the URL link sticker. You can get creative with this link by changing the placement of the sticker throughout your story and customizing the call to action to suit whatever action you want your audience to take. Or you can think outside of the box with some other story features, like the question box, which you can use to collect the names of followers you want to send a specific link to, like discounts or exclusive content. Although stories only last 24 hours, you can always make this content evergreen by including them in your highlights, like food blogger Carissa Stanton. Through her highlights, Carissa drives eyes to her top recipes by organizing them into clear categories and topics, letting her audience quickly find the content that's of interest to them. Tip number 3 is to write persuasive captions with clear call to actions. It can be easy to get lost in trying to keep your caption light and funny, but oftentimes direct and easy to read copy is what's going to drive the most traffic where you want it to go. Take for example, Isis Brianna, who weaves storytelling and clear call to actions throughout her captions. This keeps her audience engaged and more likely to perform the actions she wants them to take. Tip number 4, use Reels for viral reach. Instagram Reels are all the rage, and when it comes to reaching new eyes, Reels are your best shot. Candice Janae does this by adding clear on-screen text with CTAs that encourage her audience to read the caption and comments and directing her viewers to the link in her bio. By showing her personality and jumping on trends, Candice's content is proof that you can drive traffic where you need it to go and still have fun along the way. It's just genius. Chef's kiss. I don't know how to do chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. So there you have it. That's how you can drive traffic from Instagram like an influencer. There's more where this came from, so be sure to check out the links below for more resources on growing your Instagram and subscribe to our channel for more social media hot tips and takes. See you later.